channel, and today we are going to show you this experiment. Baking soda, color dye, and vinegar. So first we're going to put the baking soda, just a little bit, like spread it around, because you know it's going to shake it. Oh. So you know what you're doing. And then when you think that's enough, you put it down and put it on the side. And then you get your color dye. So I'm going to show you how much amount you're supposed to put in. This much. And then you're going to spread it around. Like that. And perfect. And then when you got it, you got your red color dye. It'll work with every color dye you got. And then when you did that in,
okay.
You got your color dye, you do that. Okay? When you got that, you just spread it around so I can make it color dye, you spread it around. When you got, then you have your vinegar. Oh. Just gonna put all of it. Perfect. When you've done that, then you get your vinegar. Whoa. Because all the acid makes it go like that.
The what?
All the acid.
Oh. You hear the sound?
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. And hit that like button. And you are worth it. Bye, guys. Both of them.